Buenos dias, one last time from Puerto Rico. So we're 5 days through. This is our 6th and final day, and we're down here in Old San Juan. We're gonna go on ahead today. If you see behind me, we're gonna check out this Castillo San Cristobal, a little fortification here on the coast that used to protect the main city, and wow, beautiful sights here. We're gonna check out this little outside area, and then we'll head in for a proper tour of this historic castle here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Let's go. So as you can see, they got the gun turrets here. This would have protected the coastline from ships coming through. Pretty sweet. Step into one. We'll go down and we're gonna check out this little overlook part. Cool. And I was reading a story that one of these here is a haunted little overlook. I mean, you know, similar to anywhere else, graffiti. Cool. You got your 360-degree panorama. Man, look at those waters. Woo. This is fun. Little castle from this vantage. Nice, and here we are. This is San Juan National Historic Site, Castillo San Cristobal. Ooh. Residential neighborhood surrounding. That's a nice view out your window. So, went on site, $10, children free. It's open 9 to 5, and you know, normal things, no alcohol, no guns, no anything like that. So, let's go on ahead and see what this Castillo San Cristobal is all about. In San Juan, whew, it is muggy today. Check out this vantage of the bay in Old San Juan. Wow. And we're going to the entrance. Go, pay, get our little ticket, and head on through. Nice, so that's a great value. She said the ticket gets you into the other castle, San Mauro. So, pretty cool. $10 for 2 castles. Nice. Let's check it out. I don't really know exactly where I'm going. But, as always guys, we're gonna get there together. Provided you with a little map, so perhaps that's how you find out exactly where you're going. But come in. Looks like these are all the plans, maps of the place. Nice little archway doors. Not much in here. Ooh. Some original sketches. Ooh. So this place, you know, is defended against the Dutch. It is defended against Britain, and you know, never been able to take over the island. Fierce resistance was had at this building. These are some of the cannons that would have been in that turret that we saw. Cool. Fire in the hole. Whee. This is fun. We'll make our way up the fortification momentarily. Troops' quarters. So this is where the troops would have lived. Whoa. Those are big boys. So here it is. We're gonna go up to the 3rd level observation. This is gonna be a circular staircase. This ought to be cool. Oh. Now this is castle vibes. round and round we go. Where will we stop? Only Puerto Rico knows. Yes. Oh, nice. Puerto Rican flags, American flags, flying proud. Oh. What? Guys, look at that shit. Oh. I'm gonna stop right there, just catch me a little peek through this. Making our way down here to the fortification's eastern side. Look, I can see home. Hey baby, I'm coming. Let's see what we got. This is a little explanation of why, like I said, the Dutch and English and a few others tried to conquer Puerto Rico for a strategic location here in the Atlantic. Man, look at that water. Oh, it's just, you know, I was talking to Heather and she said humans just have to see the water. Don't know what that's all about, but I mean, as soon as I came to Puerto Rico and saw this view here, I mean, like all of my troubles melted away. Wow. Just a little firehouse. Not sure what they were doing here. We have a stair we could access, maybe. No. Always trying to go where I'm not allowed. You know that. Interesting place. Okay, a little something set up here. This is a typical barracks that would have been here during the time of use. Look at those beds. Sleeping right next to your fellow soldier. Wow. Example of some of the muskets. So, they do have a few period things in here. Nice. I was hoping they did. Did y'all hear that audible gasp? Main firing battery. Okay, why not? Stairs count's gonna be through the roof today. Okay, here on the main battery, we have one of the cannons set up like I was mentioning in the turrets. Cool. See? So you can see, it's just the little shot they got. Period cannonballs. Wicked. Did a little reading up on these century boxes, and you know, these were built in the 16th century. See some of the grounds. Huh. Is that a tomb? Is that a graveyard over there? Looks like a graveyard. Huh. I wonder if I can get down there. Maybe do a little find a grave. Let's get this shot. Right about there. Right about there. Nice. This is a little American addition to the fortification. This was a vantage point to look out for warships as well as submarines during World War II. So not sure if the German U-boats made it this far, but I'm going to have to check into that. Sweet. I just took like a little 10-minute siesta in that last spot we viewed, and I mean, It's 97 index out here, and it was like being in the air conditioning there. So I can see why these stone fortifications were, you know, kind of a respite for the guys, even in the dead of summer. See what else they have to offer here at Castillo San Cristobal. No way. The dungeon? Come on, y'all. Y'all know that's my style right there. Let's head on down. Oh, look at this, y'all. This gives me them good old vibes of that castle in Sintra. Unfortunately, don't remember the name. Those are little places for torches that would light your way. Oh. Nice. Might have to put the little light on the camera. We shall see once we get down to the dungeon. Oh, this is nice. This will be one of the tunnels. Oh, look at that. Those are rock drawings. Ships. Original. Ooh, yes. That is cool. And they're saying that these drawings are done by a Spanish captain that was held here in this dungeon for execution. Wow. Very cool. Let's keep going. Huh. Little light access. Just think of the troops running through here during battle. Amazing. These kind of things still stand today. We can appreciate them. You know, it also stated no graffiti in here, and guys, come on. Don't write on the walls of these historic places. It's ridiculous. When I was at the Giza pyramids, there was just graffiti all over the Great Pyramid. Absolutely ridiculous. Here's some more people. Yes, and that's the dungeon. That was fun. This will be the grounds and the exit. Oh, we're going to be able to see if that was a cemetery or not. Down from this vantage point, I don't believe so. But not quite ready to exit yet. Go check out the gift shop. Hope you guys enjoyed the little tour through the tunnel, you know, dungeon. This is amazing. Think of all the guys that were held here as captive, executed up on the walls, who knows, thrown into the ocean. Wow. Said it before, I said it again. Humans are just capable of instilling so much pain on one another. Looks like we got another little tunnel to go down in. This one, whew, you can feel the cold air in here. This feels wonderful. Oh man. We are going way down. I swear, we got like a 30-degree drop in here. See what's at the bottom. What this is, looks like linoleum flooring, and it is. Weird. This is the infrastructure. I don't think we need to be in there. So it just dawned on me, with that being the end of the tunnel there, being the infrastructure of the place, that was air conditioning I was feeling. Another little spot here. You know, if you're into history, they'll teach you everything you need to know. No need for a guide. This is a typical one of the hats here. Oh, nice. I got Under the Sea stuck in my head, guys. This will give you an example of some of the different outfits that the soldiers will wear. Nice. We have the kitchen here. This would have produced all the food for the different soldiers on base. Water fountain's not included at that time. A few closed doors. We're almost to the end. You know, I gotta check out the retail goods no matter what time I come through. Cool. Nice prints. Decent little shop. $5 Gatorade. Woo. Gougers. Got one more little spot here. This is a period 16th century armor that would have been used here at Castillo San Cristobal. An example of some of the Spanish ships that would have sailed here. Cool. We got a little movie theater. You can go watch a little story on the history. A lot of stuff here. Very surprised at this little ending part. Cool. Is this a little model? Look, guys. That is sprawling. Nice. Pardon the beeping. We have some maritime tools. Actually, no, take that back. Those are for the cannon. Interesting. A few things left over. Original bricks to the area. Wow. And that's it, guys. That is Castillo San Cristobal. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. I mean, if you're ever in Puerto Rico, I highly suggest coming and seeing for yourself because these videos might not do any justice. And favorite part of it, the dungeon, of course, the dungeon. And I mean, the graffiti written by the Spanish captain, what a great story, what a great day. So, guys, I'm gonna head on down into Old San Juan today. Like I mentioned, my ticket is also good for El Morro Castle. Might go down there, not sure. Just want to see the town, see the streets, see the culture. So, head down there. So, I'm gonna call this one a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for joining me as always, and you know the deal. Take it easy and peace from Castillo San Cristobal, Puerto Rico.